Until 10th it was a different story, but after 10th it's a different. So when 10th was over, I was very excited for 11th and went to a college. But when I went there, I did not expect that I would face this much pressure, and I could not handle it. So my grades fell, and I was looking for an option where I could improve myself stress free. So then I found Sai Master Academy and joined and met with Pawan sir. From then I have been studying for the past 2 years in Sai Master Academy, and I got 821. I never expected that I would get this much when I was in college, but thanks to Pawan sir, I improved a lot, and I enjoyed my past 2 years of intermediate, and it was stress free, and I made a lot of friends in the way. And I would suggest to all the students to join Sai Master Academy, as it's stress free learning and you get good marks.
షణ్ముఖ్ చాలా మారాడండి పవన్ సార్ వల్లే. అసలు ఇలా మారుతాడని మేము అనుకోలేదు. చాలా బాగా చదువుకుంటున్నాడు, టైమింగ్ అంతా మార్చుకున్నాడు, మార్నింగ్ లేవడం అదినే. చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ తమ్ముడు.